In Central Texas, we know that the future is what we make it. And the Blueprint for Educational Change is how we make it. Launched in 2008, the Blueprint contains the objectives and strategies we're using in Central Texas as a region to together build the strongest educational pipeline in the country. And the Blueprint is especially important in this time of economic and health and learning crisis, when we know that our most vulnerable students are those who will be most impacted. And we have to keep our eye not just on the tactical needs of students and families, but also on long-term systems change to eliminate equity gaps and increase outcomes for all students. Our Blueprint will feature some highlights for the last year, like the drastic increases we've seen in the type of pre-K offerings that we know most benefit students. Our Blueprint this year is in a new online format. You'll be able to go to the website to dig down into the data behind equity gaps and objectives we're trying to achieve. You can download the comprehensive annual report to look at longitudinal outcomes and trends. And we've got videos of particular areas where we're bringing the community together to address key needs. We'd like to thank all of our partners, our school districts, our institutions of higher education, our community-based nonprofits, our civic and business partners. Together, we know that the future is what we make it.